Listen up, because this matters more than you think. The world's gone sideways. Markets unpredictable, politics messy, and nobody really safe. You're out there building companies, managing money, making calls that affect lives. And yet, every headline, every data point feels like a punch to the gut. You're pissed off, scared, frustrated, and wondering if you're just playing a losing game. You need a place to park your capital, a safe haven that doesn't disappear the moment things get weird. Real talk? REITs might just be that place, but it's not about blindly throwing money at them. You have to understand what's actually going on under the surface, or you'll get crushed like everyone else chasing illusions. First, dump the idea that all REITs are created equal. They're not. Some are junk, others are gold, and your job is to spot the difference like a laser. Focus on those with strong balance sheets, debt levels that don't flirt with danger, cash flows steady as a heartbeat. Don't let the shiny dividend numbers fool you. Peeling back the layers means vetting management, market exposure, and asset quality. Industrial and data center REITs. They're killing it because the economy isn't running on hopes and dreams. It's running on digital demand and supply chains that won't quit. Residential REITs in the right markets? Also solid, especially where people actually live and work, not just some overhyped luxury building in a bubble city. Second, don't just buy and hold blindly. REITs can be a moat, sure, but only if you actively manage exposure. Market dips hit them, interest rate jitters shake them, and those cycles hurt real people running those assets. Be ready to rotate, hedge when you have to, and always have cash waiting. Your goal isn't just to put money somewhere safe. It's to grow it through chaos, not survive it. That means using REITs as part of a larger puzzle. Exposure to alternatives, solid private deals, cross-asset hedges. You build a web that's strong enough to take big punches and keep standing. Third, understand why REITs work now, even when the economy looks shaky. Inflation is everywhere, but real estate often pushes rents up along with prices, meaning cash flow can grow even when stocks fall. That's your edge. But here's the thing. Most investors fixate on past crash formulas or assume bonds are safer. They're not. Bonds get killed by inflation faster than you can blink. REITs, if you're selective, give you that income with growth potential built in. The key is in locking in good deals and avoiding the hype bubbles. Watch for sectors with real tenant stickiness, medical offices, warehouses, logistics hubs. They're non-negotiable winners. Lastly, do not fall for the half measures or the wait-and-see BS when the market's distressed. You're a leader. You don't wait for problems to fix themselves. You attack them head-on. Dive deep on debt maturities of your REIT picks. Understand the tenant base, like your life depends on it. And build relationships in the property management and leasing world. Leverage connections that others overlook. This gives you intelligence most people don't have, and intelligence equals power when the fog thickens. Don't trust mainstream reports. Scrub your own data. Be brutal in cutting out fluff, and build a picture that's real, not fake news. If this feels like a lot, good. It means you're thinking bigger than the noise. The market's not safe, nothing ever is. But you can be smarter. You can use Reits to hold ground, generate income, and expand in uncertain times. If you stop reacting like everybody else and start acting like the rare professional you are. Act now, double down, and build systems to protect your capital, but also seize upside others miss. The real safe haven isn't a place or a ticker symbol. It's your ability to see the truth clearly and move relentlessly, even when others panic. So get off the sidelines. REITs are a tool, but only if you wield them like a pro. Patterns are shifting, and the slow and cautious get left behind. This is about owning what works, cutting what doesn't, and choosing your battles with ruthless clarity. If you want safety, you'll find it. And it's not in illusions. It's in sharp analysis, brutal honesty, and bold action. That's the only way to invest through uncertainty and come out on top. Don't settle for less. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and check the featured link to learn more.